So this is our last video, I think. Now I'm gonna show you how to bring a video and use it as a texture, displaying a 2D video, how to put also like a trigger for the video, like an invisible trigger that if you cross that trigger, or if you have like any kind of interaction, I don't know, somehow it's gonna trigger the video. Let's get to it. Let's create a folder that's called video. So we have now our folder of video here, right? And I have this video. What I like is to create a canvas for my video to be displayed. So I can go here to cube. Actually, no, actually, I'm gonna just like be more efficient. I'm just gonna duplicate my wall, and then I'm gonna put here a screen, and then I just gonna put it here. Something super simple is I just can drag and drop the video in the 3D object, and then it's gonna create the video player immediately, and then it's gonna use as renderer the mesh of my screen, right? So now if I go inside, it's gonna play the video right here. Now I can see my video there, right? Take out the material, or at least make the material white, so it's not gonna interfere with the color of the video. To go to materials, and then I'm gonna create a new material. I'm gonna call screen, wrap and drop it there. So I have now my screen, right? But something that we want to do is to create like a trigger for this screen. So for that, I'm gonna go here, and then I'm gonna create like a cube. Yes, another cube. Beautiful. I'm gonna reset this thing, and then I'm gonna go here. Oh my god, my computer is so slow, it's dying. I'm gonna make it smaller. I'm gonna place it here, and then I'm gonna go to my cube, and then I'm gonna add the script that is gonna be video. I need to bring my script actually. I have here my folder scripts. I can go here and find my script. Okay, now I have my video trigger here. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you this script, but you already saw that script, or you can go by your own in the script. Then I'm gonna go to the cube, and then I just video trigger. As I made this script, I put a timer for destroy the video. I should know what time I want, like what is the duration of the video. So for example, I'm gonna put that it's gonna be destroyed in 10 seconds after being active. And now he's asking me for the video player, so I just need to grab the screen and put it here, and put this collider as trigger, so he knows that when we touch the and that's like in the script. I need to create a tag in my XR origin. So I need to create a tag, this player tag actually. So it need to be tagged as player. So now he's gonna know that the player is the one who is gonna touch the cube, and it's not gonna be like other element. So now if I go here and then I touch the square, it's gonna trigger the video, and it's gonna be destroyed in 10 seconds. So at any time it's gonna be destroyed. Boom, should be destroyed now. Okay, at any point it's gonna be destroyed. Come on, maybe 10 seconds was too much. Wait, yeah, I changed the code. Sorry, my bad. I think that I changed last time the code when I was in the course. Destroy, and now it should be working. And then if I run it again, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so it has been destroyed in 10 seconds. So yeah, it's quite simple, the script. It's quite simple, the interaction, so you can do that. And I think that that's all that we cover in our course so far. And also, if you need to change any scripts, you can go there. Also, you can go to, I don't know, to YouTube or whatever, and then you can find more scripts. Also, I'm gonna give you more, like in the document that we have together. I'm gonna put more like tutorials and stuff that you can use. And now the final thing is to build up the project in the headset. So that's quite simple. Again, we just need to go to build settings, and then we just need to find our Oculus Quest. We need to be this scenes needs to be here. So I just hit the build and run. Then I tell like where to create like this the file tutorial demo and save. Do you know? Yeah, save. And it's gonna take a while because it's the first time that I build this project. So after building the project, you can just like deattach the link cable from your headset, and it's gonna run the project. And you can find like the project if you go inside the headset, and then you go to the to the apps, and in the upper corner you are gonna find something called like unknown developer or unknown source or something like that, and there is gonna be the APK. So that was it, all that we cover in our course. So remember to hit like, to subscribe, and to share. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Why I bring this? Oh my god. Delete. Delete. Oh, I think that I erased something that I shouldn't erase. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. Damn it. Ah. Ah.